Welcome back, riders and legends. What if Harley-Davidson brought back one of the most iconic engines in motorcycle history, reborn for the modern era? Today we're diving deep into the Harley-Davidson Flathead 2026, a machine that blends raw American heritage with today's performance and technology. Stay with us, because this isn't just a motorcycle, it's a revival of an era that shaped motorcycling in the USA. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Flathead is inspired by the legendary side-valve engines that powered Harleys from the 1920s through the 1950s. Harley hasn't just copied the past, they've re-engineered it. The new Flathead keeps the classic low-profile cylinder design and mechanical soul, but underneath, it's a modern power plant built to meet today's emission standards while delivering that unmistakable, torque-heavy character American riders love. The heart of the 2026 Flathead is a newly developed air and oil-cooled V, rumored to sit around the 1200 to 1350 cc range. Power delivery is smooth, torquey, and relaxed, made for long highways, open roads, and slow cruising through city streets. This bike isn't about chasing top speed, it's about feeling every pulse of the engine, every mile, and every moment on the road. Design-wise, Harley has gone all in on retro-modern styling. The teardrop fuel tank, exposed pushrod-style detailing, wide handlebars, and low-slung stance scream old-school Americana. At the same time, subtle LED lighting, a minimalist digital analog gauge cluster, and clean wiring keep it modern without breaking the vintage illusion. It looks like a classic Flathead but built for 2026. The riding ergonomics are pure comfort. A low seat height, forward set, foot controls, and wide bars make the Flathead perfect for relaxed cruising. Whether you're riding Route 66 or rolling through downtown streets, this bike is designed to feel easy, confident, and unmistakably Harley. The suspension setup balances old-school feel with modern stability, giving you a smooth ride even on long journeys. Technology is where the 2026 Flathead quietly surprises everyone. You get modern ride-by-wire throttle, selectable ride modes, traction control, and ABS, all tuned to stay out of the way unless you need them. Harley has focused on preserving the mechanical feel while adding just enough tech to make the bike safe, reliable, and practical for everyday riding. When it comes to sound, the Flathead delivers that deep, soulful exhaust note Harley fans crave. It's not overly loud, but it's rich, throaty, and instantly recognizable. Every twist of the throttle reminds you why Harley engines have such an emotional connection with riders across generations in the USA. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Flathead is aimed at riders who value heritage, style, and emotion over raw numbers. It's perfect for collectors, cruiser lovers, and anyone who wants a motorcycle with a story. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement about where Harley came from and where it's going next. So, is the Harley-Davidson Flathead 2026 a bold move? Absolutely. It proves that even in a high-tech world, there's still a place for machines built on history, character, and soul. If you love classic American motorcycles with modern reliability, this might be one of the most exciting Harleys in years. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Welcome back anytime, and we'll see you in the next ride.